Hi everyone. Today I wanted to make a couple of clusters for our journal. And if you remember, we made this little snippet trim, and I used some in I want to say, let's see, the butterfly journal, I think. Yeah. Anyway, I have a bunch of these left over, and I thought I'll just use these in with some of the little cutoffs and things that I have from this one. So I'm gonna start with this base, and I don't know if I divided all the pieces right or not, but I want to make two, one for each signature. So I think I'm just going to flip this over. I want this, which way do I want the top? Yeah, I want it this way. I'm just going to flip this over, and where's my glue? I can't do it that way. My head doesn't work backwards. But I want to glue this way. So I'm going to put glue on about half of that. I just want it to be kind of tucked out at the top like so. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this piece of dictionary paper. Just kind of tuck it down here a little bit. Nothing too difficult. I have this little tag that's cut out from one of the background pages. So I'm going to glue that on. Because of the thickness of the lace on the top, I'm going to put a little bit extra glue. Hopefully it won't curl too much. I'm just going to lay this, I think I'll just lay it like that. If it'll stay. Let's see. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to clip it, and then I'll go ahead and do the other one. I'll turn it that way, and we'll see. Hopefully that'll stick. So on this one, I kind of want it to go. Yeah, I still want that roughly down. So I'm going to probably stick that one like that, and then this one here. So let's put a little bit of glue on this one. Might need to use more because I did use the linen on the back of these snippet trims. So the fabric will absorb quite a bit. Let's do right there. I think I want that tucked in a little bit more though. Let's overlap that a little bit. Won't matter once I get everything on there. Okay, and then I've got another ticket here. Is that what I did? Make sure I'm doing them the same. Okay. A couple clips. Okay, so this one should have had a chance to adhere for the most part. So I think I'm going to stick have this little piece of trim here I want to stick on. And then I have a butterfly. Going to put just like that. And I think I'll put some of these little flat back pearls in the middle. I noticed on the video, oh shoot, the bag is ripping. I noticed on the video these look kind of black, but they are purple. And I know my wings are really curly, but those will flatten out once it gets in the book. Are 3 going to fit on there? Where's my little tool? Boy, that thing disappears. I think the thing is I'm putting it away. My fingers are too fat for this. That's why I like that tool. There we go. There we go. And then on the back, I've just got another ticket, and I'm going to be gluing that onto the back, but I'll probably glue that on with hot glue. So let's try this one. Goes this way. Got this little piece of beige fabric or beige lace, just for another dimension. And I just like to curl those a little bit. It just gives a little bit more movement. And like I said, once they're in the book, of course, they're gonna flatten down a little bit. So let's put this here. We'll go ahead and get some more of these on there. They're not sticking to me as bad as they used to, so that might be a good sign. Oops. A little bit more glue than I had intended. There we go. And there again, I will glue this one to the back. But those are the little clusters that I'm making today, and you know, I just think it's fun to be able to, you know, make that whole snippet trim at one time and then be able to just put something together with, you know, some scraps and butterfly and a ticket from the current whatever that you're working on. So I like those. I think they turned out cute, and I need to make a couple more. So that's it for today. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.